episode yet. Talking Hank's Adventure Guide. How to build a campfire. All right, to build a campfire, you need tinder, kindling, and fuel. That's little stuff, medium stuff, and big stuff. Tinder is little stuff that gets the fire started, like dry grass or wood shavings. All right, that's looking good. I made a little guide. Hey, Hank, don't get distracted. Oh, right, I wonder if I made enough tinder.
Oh.
Kindling is medium-sized sticks that help the fire get strong. Pretty easy to find. You just, please, run for your lives! Fuel is the big wood pieces that make your fire burn bright all night. You should use dry wood that's already fallen, like this. Just have to get it back to camp.